Ever wondered how to securely send money across borders or even within your own country? We're diving into how to wire transfer money with RBC, ensuring your funds land exactly where they need to go. First, log into your RBC Online Banking account or visit your nearest branch. For now, we'll do it all online on the homepage. Navigate to the Payments and Transfers section. Look for options like Send Money or Wire Transfers. RBC's interface may vary slightly, but these are the key words to look for. Select International Wire Transfer or Wire Transfer to proceed. You'll then be prompted to add a recipient. This is where accuracy is key. Ensure you have the recipient's full legal name, complete address, bank name, bank address, and the all-important SWIFT BIC code for international transfers, or the correct transit number for domestic wire transfers. Double-check, triple-check those details. A single incorrect digit can cause delays or even prevent the transfer. Enter the amount you wish to send and select the currency. Be mindful of any exchange rates and associated fees. RBC will clearly display these for your review at this stage. You'll want to also choose which account you'd like to make the wire transfer from. Review all the information carefully one last time. Once you're confident everything is accurate, confirm the wire transfer. Now be sure that you are aware of when the money should arrive. RBC may require additional security verification, such as a two-factor authentication code. To protect your transaction, keep in mind wire transfers often come with fees that can vary depending on the amount and destination. So factor this into your calculations. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a wire transfer with RBC. As a final step, save the transaction reference. This way you can track its progress.